Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a very easy and a highly effective green tea cream which is specially made for oily and acne prone skin. This homemade green tea cream is best for removing all types of dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars and hyperpigmentation as well, and will make your skin crystal clear, spotless, glowing and radiant. This cream will deeply hydrate and moisturize your skin and will revitalize your dull and dry skin. So now let's see how to prepare this homemade green tea cream. And to prepare this cream, you firstly have to take 2 to 3 tablespoons hot rose water in a clean bowl. And if you don't want to use the rose water, you can also use the normal hot water. And then you're gonna need green tea, and you have to dip 1 sachet of green tea into this hot water. And here I'm using the Lipton green tea, but you can use any green tea. And after dipping it, just leave it for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, just take out the green tea. And now we'll add more ingredients in it to make a perfect green tea cream. So the first ingredient which we are adding in this green tea water is sweet almond oil, and we just have to add half a teaspoon sweet almond oil in it. After the sweet almond oil, we have to add 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, and if you don't have the vitamin E oil, then you can also use 3 to 4 vitamin E capsules which are easily available at any pharmacy store. And now after that, we are going to need tea tree essential oil, and we just have to add 4 to 5 drops of it. And now after adding all these ingredients, we just have to give a good mix to all of them so that they all combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth mixture. And now after mixing all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And we just have to add approx 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel in it. And then mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a fluffy paste. And once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, your homemade green tea cream is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, which is neither so runny and nor so thick. And it should be smooth, lump-free and so much creamy and fluffy like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me show you how to store this homemade green tea cream. And to store this cream, you're going to need an airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream in this small airtight container, and you can store it at room temperature for up to 10 to 15 days. This homemade green tea cream is 100% natural and 100% effective in removing all your dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars and hyperpigmentation problem easily at home. This green tea cream will not only help in dark spot and pigmentation removal, but it will also help in removing all your suntan, sunburn and any type of skin discoloration. And we can also call this green tea cream an anti-aging cream because it contains all the anti-aging properties. This cream has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties which removes your fine lines, wrinkles and sagging skin within few days, and it will also hydrate your skin from deep inside and will make your skin super moisturized, hydrating, crystal clear, spotless and much glowing than before. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin. And then massage it in circular motions. Just gently massage it in circular motion for about 30 to 45 seconds. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight so that your skin completely absorbs this cream. And for best results, you have to use it daily, twice in a day for at least 15 to 20 days to get spotless, clear, hydrated and a super moisturized skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.